Hello student, myself Deepika Prajapati from computer department, and let's start. Today we are going to study about .NET operators, data types and so and so. So dear all student, we have already seen about the various IDE parts of the .NET framework, just like integrated development environment part as a toolbar, menu bar, toolbox, solution explorer, waveform design, so and so. So dear all student, we have already seen about these various types of integrated development environment part of the .NET framework, and that is visualized by Visual Studio software. So dear all student, in this lecture we are going to discuss about operator of VB.NET language. So here, what is operator and which type of operator used in our VB.NET programming? So the operator is nothing but an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulation. So what the meaning about operator? Once again, what is the operator? So an operator is nothing but it contain a one type of symbol, and that tells to the compiler how to perform a specific mathematical expression as well as logical expression. So we can say that the operator is nothing but to perform a specific expression about mathematical and logical manipulation. So here the various types of operator is the first of all arithmetic operator. Second one is a concatenation operator. So concatenation means what? It is a nothing but merging data of our variable. So the concatenation operator is a nothing but it defined as merging of the two data and make a one. So this is the concatenation operator. Then assignment operator, third one is. Then fourth, comparison operator, then relational operator, and sixth is the logical and bitwise operator. So here in this language we have to study these types of operator like arithmetic, concatenation, assignment, comparison, relational, logical and bitwise operator. So let's start. First, arithmetic. How to perform arithmetic operator in a VB.NET programming. So here once again remember to dear all student attention here. This one is only theory based portion about this operator, but whenever the practical session start, I will perform these types of operator in our Visual Studio software. So whenever you perform these types of practically performance, you have to download the Visual Studio software for the performing program. So dear all student, you have to download the Visual Studio software and install in your PC, and then you have to perform these types of practically performance of the Visual Basic language. So here the first operator is the arithmetic operator. So the following table shows the all arithmetic operators supported by Visual Basic .NET. Assume that variable A holds 2 and variable B holds 7, then what? So here this one is the all operator store in our arithmetic. So the first here one, this operator, it perform as raise one operand to the power of another. So it's known as our exponent. We all very well know what is the exponent. Exponent is nothing but it contain operand raised to. It means that બેની બે ઘાત. તો બેની બે ઘાત એટલે આન્સરમાં આપણને શું મળે? 4. તો એના માટે જે આપણે બેની બે ઘાત આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ છીએ, એ જ રીતે અહીંયા ઓપરેટરનો યુઝ કરવો હોય તો આપણે શું કરવું પડે? 2 raised to 2 માટે એક્સપોનન્ટ ઓપરેટરનો યુઝ કરવો પડે. તો ઇટ મીન્સ raises one operand to the power of another. તો જે આપણે બેની બે ઘાત કહીએ છીએ એ બેની બે જે છે એને આપણે શું કહીશું? પાવર. So here B exponent A, that means it is our the B and A is our operand, as well as we can also say the variable. So here A holds 2 and variable b holds 7, that means 7 raised to 2, it means 7 into 7, then given the answer 49. Once again, exponent operator, how to perform? So it is nothing but raised one operand to the power of another operand. So here b consider as a 7 value and 7 exponent 2, that means 7 into 7, then given the answer is 49. Then next plus, so plus it adds 2 operand, so a plus b, it will give the answer 9. Then subtract second operand from the first, so a minus b, that means it give the answer as a minus 5, negative 5. Then multiplication, it means that multiply both operand a star b, it means that here the 2 into 7, then it give the answer 14. Then division, it is divide one operand by another and returns floating point result. Then we have to will get the answer from this division operator using b divide a, that will give answer as a 3.5, it means return a floating point result. Then divide one operand by another and return an integer result. Then here these types of slash direction, whenever we use right hand side slash and whenever we used left hand side slash, then it will give the answer like this 3.5, and here one is the integer value only 3. If we have to use right hand side slash, then we get floating point result, but whenever we have to use a left hand side slash, then we have to return as a result in a integer. Then mode, then modular operator and remainder of after an integer division. So here b mod a, then give the answer is 1. So it can also concat the numeric operands with here the string operand AND operator. So AND operator is defined by only 2 for the string operand, because concatenation means it is contain merging of 2 string and make a 1 string data. So we have to use this type of operator AND. So the AND operator is defined only for string operand. So the AND operator is recommended for string concatenation. Okay. Next, assignment operator. So assignment operator, there are the following assignment VB.NET operators supported by .NET. So first of all, is equals to operator is nothing but assign a simple integer operator value from right side operand to the left side operand. So here C is equals to A plus B, that means what? A and B, addition of these two variable and get the result store in another variable C. So whenever we get result from A plus B addition, then this result store in a C, it means another variable. It's known as assigning operator using the is equals to symbol. So here is equals to symbol is our assignment operator. It means assign a value from right side operands to the left side operand. So C is equals to A plus B will assign value of A plus B into C. Then plus is equals to, it means add and assignment operator. It means that it add right operand to the left operand and assign the result to left operand. So here C plus is equals to A is equivalent to C plus A. It means that here C plus is equals to, it nothing but it add only right operand to the left operand and then the result can be assigned to the left operand. So we have to say about C plus is equals to A, it means it is similar to C equals C plus A. Then minus equal, same like as add and. So here the subtract and assignment operator, it subtract right operand from the left operand and assign the result to left operand. So C minus equal is nothing but is similar equivalent to C equals C minus A. Same like multiply equal, then divide equal, then left hand side and right hand side divide equal, and exponent equal. So exponents equals, it means what? It is the assignment operator. With exponent, it raise the left operand to the power of right operand and assign the result to left operand. So these all are is our only theory base. Whenever practical session start, we have to perform this all operator using various types of symbol for the operator performance. Next, comparison operator. So here following table shows all the comparison operators supported by VB.NET. Assume here the variable A holds a 10 value and here the variable B hold 20 value. Then here the comparison operator, how to apply using this type of symbol. So assume that here the variable variable A with the initialization value is equals to 0 and variable B with the initialization value 20. So A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 20. In your mind only assume that here. So first operator equal. So what is equal? It means that check if the values of two operands are equal or not. Then if yes, so the condition become true. If not, then it becomes false. So if A equal B, then here the check the condition using this type of symbol. So here A consider as a 10 and B consider as a 20. So 10 equal 20 is it true or false? So obviously here this condition is not satisfied, then it's not true. So it gives the answer as from this comparison operator equal as is not true. Then here less than greater than, it means what? Less than greater than, this symbol is specified as a not operator perform. So check if the values of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then condition becomes true. So less than greater than, it means what? It contain as a not performance. So here 10 and 20, this one is considered as a 10 as a 20 is false yet true. So here 10 not 20. તો ઓફકોર્સ 10 જે છે એ 20 નથી. જો 10 છે એ 10 જ હોત, બંનેની વેલ્યુ સેમ હોત, તો આપણી કન્ડિશન ટ્રુ કહેવાય. બટ હિયર 10 જે છે એ 20 નથી. તો 10 છે એ 20 નથી. ઓબ્વિયસલી 10 10ની વેલ્યુ છે, 20 20ની વેલ્યુ છે. તો આપણી અહીંયા નોટવાળી કન્ડિશન ટ્રુ છે. બિકોઝ હિયર it gives the answer is true. Why? Because here it compare the data of value A and compare the data of value B using this operator. So here the condition is satisfied, then it given the answer is true. Then here greater than, so check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then and then condition becomes true. So here the 10 less than B, it means 10 greater than 20. This condition is satisfied? No. Why? Because 10 is not greater than 20. 10 is less than 20. So here the given answer is not true. Same, check if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. So here we have to perform less than operator. So A less than B, it means 10 less than 20. Here the condition is satisfied, so given the answer is true. Then less than equal, greater than equal. So here the greater than equal, so if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand, and if the condition is satisfied, it means if yes, then condition becomes true. And same like working here, less than equal, then check if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition become true. Okay. Next, logical operators. So the following table show all the logical operators supported by VB.NET and assume variable A holds Boolean value true and here the variable b holds boolean value false. Then what happens? So here the most IMP for the logical operator is and, or, and not. Almost these three operator mostly used for the logical operator. So here it is the logical as well as bitwise AND operator. If the both operand are true, then and then condition become true. If any one operand as a false, then condition become false. So once again, what is the perform of the AND operator is whenever the both operand are true, then and then the condition becomes true. What is the performance about OR operator? So OR operator, it means that if any of the two operand is true, then condition becomes true. It means that any one operand is true, then condition become true. Here not compulsory the both operand is true, but in AND both operand true and OR any one operand true. And NOT, it means it is the logical as well as bitwise NOT operator, and it is used to reverse the logical state of bit its operand. So this one is our most IMP operator in our logical. Then bitwise operator. So bitwise operator is here the bit shift operators perform the shift operation on a binary values. So the bitwise operators work on bits and perform bit by bit operation. The truth table for here these types of bitwise operator is AND, OR, and exponent as given following. So this is our binary digit 0 1 0 1. This is our 1 signals of data, and 0 0 1 1 here is our second signals of data. So how to perform bitwise operator following this symbol? So P and Q, P or Q, P exponent Q. So here whenever 0 and 0 performing using this AND operator, then given the answer is 0. Whenever we have to perform 0 and 1, then given the answer is 0. 1 and 0, answer is 1. 1 and 1, answer is 0. It means that whenever the both condition is the same, then given the answer is 0. Okay. And any one condition, here the first 1 and 0, then given the answer as 1. Here this type using this OR. So this is nothing but it is based on our binary digit of the value for the shift operator, like this and this. So here one is a description about this. Bitwise AND operator copies the bit the result if it exists in both operand, and OR means it copies the bit if it exists in either of operand. And here the NOT, it means binary ones complement. Operator is a unary and has effect of flipping bits. So dear all students, whenever we perform as a practically, then your concept is very clearly in your mind, so don't worry. Okay, so dear all students, I hope you all easily understand about the operator concept for our Visual Basic .NET programming language. So I hope you all easily understand about this all operator. Once again revise this all operator. So first arithmetic operator, second one is our AND operator, it means concatenation operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, then logical operators, then bitwise operator. Okay, thank you. હવે સાંભળો સ્ટુડન્ટ કે જ્યારે પણ આપણે પ્રેક્ટિકલી પરફોર્મ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું ત્યારે તમારા પીસીની અંદર વિઝ્યુઅલ સ્ટુડિયો ડાઉનલોડ કરવાનું રહેશે, અને એમાં હું તમને દરેક જે આપણે થિયોરી બેઝ કન્સેપ્ટ સ્ટડી કરીએ છીએ એનું હું દરેક પ્રેક્ટિકલી એક્ઝામ્પલ પણ તમને અંદર સમજાવીશ, જેથી કરીને તમને વધારે આઈડિયા આવી જશે કે કયા ઓપરેટરનો યુઝ આપણે .NET પ્રોગ્રામિંગ લેંગ્વેજમાં કઈ રીતે થાય છે. ઓકે, અને once again keep in your mind once most important thing about ટુ ઓલ ઇઝ કે તમે જ્યારે પણ વિઝ્યુઅલ સ્ટુડિયો ઇન્સ્ટોલ કરતા હો અને કોઈ એરર આવે તો હું તમને એક ઇન્સ્ટોલેશન પ્રોસેસનો વિડીયો પણ જલ્દીથી જ અપલોડ કરીશ મારી ચેનલ પર, જેથી કરીને તમે એ વિઝ્યુઅલ સ્ટુડિયો કઈ રીતે ઇન્સ્ટોલ થાય છે એના સ્ટેપ પણ તમે જોઈ શકો અને એ પ્રમાણે તમે સ્ટેપ બાય સ્ટેપ ફોલો કરીને તમારા પીસીની અંદર સોફ્ટવેર આરામથી ડાઉનલોડ કરી શકો. ઓકે, અને મેં આમ પણ તમને આગળના વિડીયો લેક્ચરની અંદર હાઉ ટુ ઇન્સ્ટોલ વિઝ્યુઅલ સ્ટુડિયો એના સ્ટેપ બતાવ્યા છે અને એની લિંક પણ અંદર આપેલી છે, તો તમે એ લિંક ઓપન કરીને પણ વિઝ્યુઅલ સ્ટુડિયો ડાઉનલોડ કરી શકો છો. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.